Alright, so what's up subscribers? Welcome back to ZEBIANMNL and I am Paul Bonin Vargas. So we are actually celebrating World Photography Day. So since it's World Photography Day, I would like to ask you which photo is your most memorable that you have on your camera, on your phone, or maybe stored on your desktop or laptop. For me, this is one of the memorable photos that I have. An Instax photo of my wife and my daughter. Actually, I just put this on my phone, on the back of my phone, so that whenever I feel down or I feel tired, I just look at them and get an inspiration boost. So, since it's World Photography Day, I actually made this one. This is a leather card holder, leather SD card holder over here. And you can just clip it on your camera strap or on your bag. So whenever you need a memory card or an SD card holder or an SD card, you can actually get one fast enough. This is good for content creators like me or the photographers and videographers out there who would like or who would love to have hold of their SD card holders easily and fast without rummaging through their bags. Actually, I made an identical one for Justin Espejo, but instead of the one with a back-to-back, this is just a one-sided SD card holder. I made one for Justin Espejo who went abroad and immigrated to Vienna. So before he left, I made something similar like this. So here's the video on how I made this leather card holder. So thank you for checking out our video today. Before we end our video, I would like to thank again our friends NICOLO NIMOR of Nic Automatic, and actually another one is Joff Silva of Red Balloon Studios PH, who is actually going to start his own leather crafting journey. He is actually a wedding photographer also who is based in Bataan. And so whenever or if ever you need a wedding photographer, an events photographer, or any events or any things that you would like to have taken a photo taken, just contact Joff Silva. So that's it. Jos Mabalos. Alright, what's up subscribers? Welcome back to the studio. Ay, teka.